Hello friends, welcome to the my YouTube channel. My name is Nagesh Arekar and today I'll be presenting one story. That channel has been prepared during the study of MBA and today I'll telling you one story of one film. This story of that film begins at the rural area of the Konkan, Maharashtra, where everyone is living their life with a joy and satisfactions. This story is about the pure relationship between grandson, naughty grandson and grandfather. The grandfather tend to pay more attention toward the need of the grandson now and as per scene it seems like everybody is happy in that village. The grandson is also happy. He is living his life like every child does. Now one day that boy come with a complaint about headache and eyesight. At the initial stage grandfather tend to neglect his complaints and he didn't pay more attention toward his complaints. But when that complaints come again and again, then grandfather decided to took him to the doctor. And next day grandfather brings that boy to the doctor and he tried to admit him for the further treatment. But the hospital staff denied to admit him by saying that there is some protocol of hospital in which the grandfather have to fill some form and sign it by saying that if anything mishappens with boy, the hospital will not remain responsible. At that by hearing that, grandfather got shocked as well as angry and denied to sign that forms and denied to follow the protocol of hospital. But one social worker Asavari came into and she told grandfather that this is a part of protocol of hospital as well as these rules. Everybody has to follow these rules and he means he make grandfather understood about the rules and regulations of the medical industry. Then grandfather got agreed about to sign these forms and to follow rules. As soon as grandfather does that, hospital take the responsibility to admit that boy and the hospital staff admit them and treat him. After analysis of the disease of that boy, doctor come to know that it is a rare cancer of the rare eye rational cancer. And the only and after consulting with the doctors colleagues and the doctor who are seated into the UK, doctor come to know that the only way to save boy's life is to go through the operation. But the result of this operation will leave boy blind. And as per the rules of the hospital, it is the duty of the hospital to make aware a boy about that the result. And hospital told his grandfather that it is necessary to make boy understand about what are the result of that operations. Now it was very difficult for grandfather as well as that social worker to make grandson understood about the result of the operations. And this is the most crucial part of the story, this film, where how that grandfather make his grandson understood about the result of the operations. And then they decided to go for that operations to save the boy life. But one day prior to the operations, the grandfather and grandson ran away from the hospital. It was a shocking news for the every staff of the hospital and as well as for that social worker too. what they tend to do, they tend to find them, they tried each and everything to find them into the city. Even they go to the police station and raise a FIR that that the patient is ran away from hospital, but they failed to find them. At the evening, the grandfather and grandson came back. Everybody got shocked. Doctor asked them why did they ran away, and if they ran away, why did they came back? At the rustic grandfather came to them and told them, I know what are the result of these operations, and I know I cannot be there with the boy whole life, but I wanted to feel, I wanted to insert a color in the color into the life of the boy. That's why I took him to the, I took my grandson to the city and showed him the color of life, showed him the beauty of this city, and I let him do whatever he wants to do in a life. I know after tomorrow's operations, he will remain blind for his entire life, and I wanted to give him some beautiful memory that will remain with him until he lived his life. And next day, that boy will gone through operations, and as a result, earlier discussed with the boy that the boy lives his life blind, and after successful operations, boy boy will remain blind, and he, after a few days, grandfather took him to the took his grandson to his village, and everybody from village came to make warm welcome to the boy. In this movie, people are very in a very means they are having a feelings about each other. They know how to keep a relation. They knows the importance of the relation. And in this movie we can see there was a part where grandfather has to take some crucial decision to save the life of his boy, and he took it. That's it for the story of my film. But you wanted to do something for me. You wanted to guess the name of the story for me. If you got the name of the story, please write me into the comment. Thank you for today.